Where do active traders go when they're looking for low trading costs, advanced trading tools, and an intuitive trading platform? Your options are pretty limited, right?
What a load of crappy crap.
You could go to one of the big brokers, but their mobile apps aren't always the most user-friendly. And while they charge zero commissions on stock and ETF trades, most of them charge at least 65 cents per options contract, which can add up. But one option is the Moomoo trading app. And yes, that is a real trading platform. Hey, Matt here, investments editor at Finder. And today I'm going to review the Moomoo trading app and break down everything you need to know to help you decide if this broker is right for you. Let's dive in. Moomoo is a commission-free investment platform with no minimum balance requirements, known for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and pro-level data. Direct competitors to Moomoo would be Robinhood, Webull, and editorial. Founded in 2018 in Silicon Valley, Moomoo is an official partner and sponsor of the New York Mets, holds over $106 billion in US customer assets, and saw almost $1 trillion in annual trading volume in 2024. It's got over 26 million global users with operations in the US, Singapore, Australia, Japan, Canada, Malaysia, and New Zealand. Now, Moomoo is a US-based subsidiary of Futu Holdings, a Hong Kong-based, NASDAQ-listed global financial institution with major investors like Tencent. While Futu has Chinese ties, Moomoo's US operations comply with strict SEC and FINRA regulations, ensuring your data and your funds are protected under US standards. Plus, it's trusted by over 26 million users worldwide, from the US to Singapore and beyond. Still, review any broker's privacy policy. So on Moomoo, you can trade stocks, ETFs, equity options, index options, and over 40 cryptocurrencies. You can also trade international stocks directly, including Hong Kong stocks and China A shares. Crypto is a recent ad from Moomoo, and its absence was a major drawback for the platform. However, crypto transfers off the platform are not supported, so you're only really trading on the price action of a coin, not owning the underlying asset. So for crypto, Moomoo falls a bit short compared to platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and editorial, which do allow you to transfer your crypto off the platform. But its crypto fees, a 0.49% transaction fee, are lower. To compare, Robinhood charges around 0.65%, Webull and editorial 1%. Moving on from crypto, stocks and ETFs are commission-free, and equity options have no per contract fees, a valuable perk for options traders. No per contract fees is common for mobile-first trading apps like Moomoo and Webull, and Robinhood, but traditional brokers like Charles Schwab, Fidelity still charge around 65 cents per contract. Though Moomoo recently added crypto, its investment options are still pretty limited, especially compared to traditional brokers and even when compared to direct competitors like Robinhood and Webull. Turning to trading platforms and tools, Moomoo is a mobile-first trading app, but it does have a dedicated desktop trading platform. However, it does not have a web-based trading platform like most brokers. But unlike many brokers, Moomoo's mobile app is packed with a ton of advanced trading and analysis tools. You'll find things like advanced charts, drawing tools and indicators, level 2 market data, plus features like an indicator showing quick bullish and bearish sentiment, short sale analysis, and short interest. You'll also find an options analysis section, and then company info like earnings data, analyst ratings and price targets, Morningstar research, revenue breakdown, shareholder info, and more. And Moomoo squeezes all this in to a user-friendly trading app that doesn't feel cluttered despite its many tools and features. You'll get all these features and more on the Moomoo desktop trading app, plus powerful tools like algorithmic trading and backtesting. So Moomoo's got stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, and a bunch of powerful trading tools. But what types of accounts can you trade in? Only individual taxable cash and margin accounts. This limitation, unfortunately, is a significant drawback for long-term investors who want to trade in a tax-advantaged account like an IRA, and means you'll need to look elsewhere if you want to trade in a tax-advantaged way. If you're planning to use margin, Moomoo offers competitive rates, some of the lowest we've seen among brokers we review, with margin rates starting at 6.8%. That's lower than what you'll find at many traditional brokers and puts it in line with platforms like Webull and Robinhood. Turning to customer support, Moomoo fortunately gives you several ways to get help: 24/7 live chat, phone support during normal business hours, and email. As I said, live chat is available around the clock, which is great for traders and investors who can't be on the platform during market hours. So what else do you get as a Moomoo customer? Well, you can trade fractional shares with as little as $5, and Moomoo is one of just a few brokers that offers a paper trading feature, so you can practice trading with virtual currency. You get $1 million in virtual currency to trade stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, everything that's available on Moomoo, plus real-time quotes and access to all Moomoo's trading tools. Turning to cash holdings in your account, Moomoo pays a competitive APY on your uninvested cash, which is eligible for up to $1 million in FDIC insurance. To get it, go ahead and click that link in the description, open an account, deposit at least $500. Moomoo also offers a learning center with tutorials and webinars, perfect for beginners looking to master Moomoo's advanced trading tools. So how does Moomoo stack up against other popular trading platforms like Robinhood and Webull, and even bigger names like Charles Schwab and Fidelity? Here's a quick breakdown. Go ahead and pause the video and see how they compare. If you're an active trader or a data-driven investor, Moomoo punches above its weight, especially with its advanced desktop trading platform. It may not yet replace your long-term retirement account, but as a trading tool, it competes with the best of them. So who is Moomoo for? It's ideal for active traders like those who want low-cost options trading or advanced trading tools in a sleek trading app. But if you need an IRA, you want to transfer crypto to an external wallet, or you're looking for a more diverse lineup of investment options, you might want to consider platforms like Robinhood or Webull, or traditional brokers like Charles Schwab and Fidelity. Well, that about wraps up this review. If you're ready to try Moomoo, go ahead and click that link in the description, download the app, and sign up. And let me know in the comments if you've used Moomoo, whether you like it or not, or if you have any other questions. I will do my best to answer them. I hope this video helped, and if it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on market news, trading tips, and broker comparisons. And don't forget to subscribe to get Finder's free market briefing newsletter for the top market stories before the bell. And as always, if you want some free stocks, we'll put a link in the description.